Hey everyone, it's Philip with iRobot, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Roomba i4 Plus EVO. First we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box, then we're going to show you why this robot's so great, and we'll wrap up and get you out of here. So first we've got the Roomba i4 itself, which is sitting on the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. This Roomba is going to come with a better battery, so you'll have a longer runtime each time Roomba goes out. And you'll receive one dirt disposal bag. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, our tangle-free rubber brushes and specially designed edge brush are powered with 10 times the suction power over our 600 series model, allows Roomba i4 Plus EVO to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. Plus, anything over 4 inches and Roomba can get underneath. So think under the table, entertainment center, or even under your bed. Now I bet you're probably thinking, when was the last time I actually vacuumed in those places? Well, what would normally be a problem for other robotic vacuums is not a problem for the Roomba i4 Plus EVO because it has our patented dirt detect technology. When Roomba senses a lot of dirt in one area, like under the bed, Roomba's going to stop what it is doing and focus on that area till it's clean. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with the other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, maybe some pets, what about all of the above? It's not a problem for the Roomba i4 Plus EVO because it now has our intelligent Imprint Smart Mapping, where you can control which rooms to clean and which ones you don't want to clean. So maybe you just want to clean the dining room and the bedroom, and even though they're on the opposite ends of the house, it's not a problem. Simply tell your Roomba to clean those 2 rooms in the order of your choosing, and Roomba will do just that. This right here is the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, and this thing is awesome. If Roomba's bin fills up before a job is complete, Roomba will head home to the Clean Base, automatically empty its bin, recharge its battery if needed, and then pick up right where it left off and continue to do this until the floors are clean. The dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions will be emptied into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days. When full, open the lid to the Clean Base here, pull the old bag up and out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab yourself a new bag to replace it with. Slide it on in, close the lid, and your Roomba and Clean Base are ready to use again. With Imprint Link technology, you know that Roomba's going to vacuum first, and when it's finished, it's going to tell BravoJet M6, it's your turn. BravoJet M6 is going to go out and mop your floors. This is going to give you that total home floor cleaning that we all want. The great thing about the iRobot Home app with Roomba is that you can tell your Roomba to go clean on demand, set a repeating schedule, or you can simply tell Google or Alexa to tell Roomba to go clean my kitchen. Which reminds me, Alexa, can you tell Roomba i4 Plus to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay, I'll tell EVO to vacuum the kitchen.
So that was a lot of information to digest. Let's recap quickly. You can choose when and where you want Roomba i4 Plus EVO to clean in your home. With the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, you can forget about vacuuming for months at a time. And Roomba and Bravo are going to team up to make sure all the dirt and the rest of the mess are off your floors. So go ahead and add one to your cart today and let Roomba handle all the debris that's on your floors. Thanks for watching and see y'all later.